Assalamu alaikum. This is the second video of this lesson, The Tiger King. If you have any query, confusion, please contact me on my WhatsApp number 7383759748. Let's read together. The Maharaja of Pratimbandampuram is the hero of the story. He is the hero of the story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamadar, General, Khilidar, Major, Sata, Vyagra, Samhari, महाराजा धीराजा विश्व भूना सम्राट सर जिलानी जंग जंग बहादुर एमएडी एसीटीसी और सीआरसी के but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. He had many names but he was known as the Tiger King. Okay, amazing personality. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. Let's know the secret why he was known as Tiger King. Let's know. The writer is saying us. Okay. I have no intention of pretending to advance, only to end in a strategic withdrawal. The writer is saying that I have no intention of pretending to advance. He does not have intention to begin the story and to withdraw from the story. No. He wants to narrate the story completely. Even the threat of Stuka bomber will not throw me off. Even the threat of Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. Stuka bomber is a dive bomber aircraft used for attack. So even this Stuka bomber will not be able to distract me, will not be able to stop me to narrate this story. Okay. The Stuka, this is the same dive bomber aircraft which is used for attacking. If it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. If he can withdraw himself if he does not like it. But I am not going to stop narrating this story. I am going to narrate this story till the end. Okay. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose right at the start, in the beginning, it is imperative. Imperative means very important. Very IMP. It is imperative to disclose means display. It is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance. Vital means very important. Vital importance about the Tiger King. Okay, so let's know about the Tiger King. Very important. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. Indomitable means impossible to defeat, which is already written over here. So whoever read about the Tiger King will have natural desire to meet him. Amazing personality. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. But he will not be able to fulfill his desire to meet this great personality, Tiger King. Let's know why. As Bharata said to Rama, Bharata, it's about Ramayana. As Bharata said to Rama about Dashrath, what did he say? As Bharata said to Rama about Dashrath, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. Means this is somewhat comparison is done with Ramayana, and it means that the Tiger King is no more. A person who will have natural desire to meet such great personality will have to remain despair, because he will not be able to meet that tiger, because the tiger is already dead. Tiger King, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead, so he will not be able to meet him. Okay, let's know about his personal life. The manner of his death is matter of extraordinary interest. Let's know what circumstances force him, or in what circumstances he left this world, or he died, he passed away. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. Okay, we are ready to go through this story till the end. The most fantastic aspect of his demise means death. The most fantastic aspect of his death was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. It is nothing new. As soon as he was born, it was predicted by the astrologers who were there who were there, they predicted that this tiger king will die one day. So whoever is born will die one day. It is not that much important prediction. Anyone can tell it. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warrior. They are predicting before that child. They are predicting about that child. They are telling about the future of that child. It is like this. The child will grow up to become the warriors of warriors. Ghazi banega. Heroes of heroes. Okay. Champion of champions. Oh, amazing. But they beat their lips and swallow hard. Now they were very nervous while telling about the king. Further, they had hesitation. They praised the king that child will become champion of champion and so. But now they were going to tell further, and they find it difficult to tell. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. They were forced to say further about this king. And they says that this is a secret which should not be revealed at all. Oh, what is that secret? Let's know. All yet we are forced to speak about. And they were compelled to speak about that secret. The child born under the star will one day have to meet its death. Again, same thing. This child born under the sky, under the star and sky, will meet its death. At that moment, just a moment, let me adjust the textbook. Okay. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. When they were predicting about this child, before the child, a miracle took place. What is that miracle? Let's know. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani. He is also known as Old Jilani. Jilani Jung Bahadur means the child, the king, tiger king. Means he started speaking when he was infant, when he was only 10 days old. He started uttering words, he started speaking when he was there still in cradle. O wise prophets. Prophets means here astrologers. The child started speaking. He was listening everything that was being told about him by the astrologers, and he answered them back. What did he answer? The child started speaking. Let's see. Everyone stood transfixed, motionless. Transfixed means motionless, shock, surprise. Everyone stood transfixed in stupefactions. Means same thing. Both are having the same thing. Astonishment. They look wildly at each other and blink. Oh, who is that speaking? From where the voice is emerging? And they were blinking, they were shocked. Oh, wise prophet, it was I who spoke. And the child drew their attention and told them that it was only he who was speaking. This time there were no grounds for doubt, and there was no iota of doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated. Enunciate means utter or to speak or to pronounce. Born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly, and he was speaking so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. He removed his spectacles and just looking at this child, miraculous child, that he was speaking at this age, 10 days only. All those who are born will one day have to die. The child now saying, giving answer to the astrologer that what you are predicting about me, listen to me. All those who are born will one day have to die. कुछ नया नहीं है, जो जन्मता है वो मरता है एक दिन. That the child was saying to the astrologer. We don't need your prediction to know that. इसमें हमें कुछ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. If you can tell how that child is going to, how am I going to die? What circumstances will force me to die? What will happen to me? That will be the reason for my death. If you can narrate that, if you can predict that, that is matter. That does have sense. The royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. high pitched sounds. This child, 10 days old child, was speaking from his cradle. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. Oh, this child is speaking at this age. A baby barely 10 days old opens its lips in speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible, impossible to believe. It is incredible. Rather like the bulletin issued by the War Office than facts. Rather like the bulletin issue by the War Office. War Office was used to be a such place from where bulletin issue means the news were given to the public, and it was in exaggerations, means if 10 people died during the battlefield during the war, from it was issued from the War Office from bulletin issue that it is 20, right? So it was told in exaggerated in an excessive way. So in the same way the child was speaking like this way is the matter could not be digested. It was impossible to believe that child is speaking and he is there throwing challenge to the astrologer, saying them that nothing new. If you are telling about someone is born and die, it is nothing new. If you can tell the manner of the death, then facts. Okay, the chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. Oh, the prince was born in the hour of the bull. Now astrologers, they were ready to accept this challenge, and they said further, the prince was born in the hour of the bull. Bull is one of the zodiac sign. There are many signs are there which I don't believe and no one should believe. Zodiac signs such as Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Capricorn. So the prince was born in the hour of the bull. It's a Taurus sign, and Taurus sign is, it's one of the zodiac sign, and Taurus sign is bull. So the prince was born at that particular time. Kundali, the prince was born in the hour of the bull, right? The bull and the tiger are enemies. So he was born at that particular time, right? Where it was known as Taurus sign is where it is the time of Taurus sign, and Taurus sign is bull. So he was born at the time of in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies, and therefore death come from tiger, he explained. So even astrologers told and predicted that the child will die of he will have death from tiger. Okay, we are here to finish the first part of the story very quickly. You may think that Crown Prince Jung Bahadur was thrown into quake when he heard the word tiger. We might be thinking that when the child was told that he will have death from tiger, he will die, the cause of his death is tiger, and he might have scared of death, he might scared of listening all this. But no, that was exactly what did not happen. ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं कुछ. Instead, as soon as he heard it pronounced, the crown prince gave a deep growl. Growl means making noise. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Oh, great brave child, may you all have such may we all become like this. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Okay, let tiger beware. He is not going to afraid of tiger. He is not going to be scared of tiger. Tiger will scared of him. Oh, that's amazing confidence and great bravery. This account is only rumor rife. Rife means widespread. In Pratibandhapuram. Okay. And now ages have gone. बहुत वक्त हो गया था ये स्टोरी को, क्योंकि this has happened very long before when the tiger king was infant, and it was just like this story was like a rumor spread in that village कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ था, rumor की तरह फैली हुई थी. But with the hindsight, Hindsight means understanding. But with understanding we may conclude it was based on some truths. मगर वो एक हकीकत थी, वो एक reality थी. I will inshallah discuss the next episode or next part of the story in the very next video. Please, if you have any query, feel free to contact me, and let me tell you, this is 12th standard. You have to prepare yourself, right? Go through all the lesson which I have already discussed. Prepare the question answer. I have already uploaded question answer also, and all this you have to prepare it. Make yourself strong, as your exam is going to be very long. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.